Have you ever wanted to write a book but felt overwhelmed by the process? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we're going to walk you through how to create and publish your very first ebook from scratch, step by step. We'll cover everything from coming up with your initial idea to formatting and publishing your work. Get ready to turn your thoughts into a polished, professional ebook that you can share with the world. The first and most important step is to figure out what you're going to write about. Your ebook can be fiction or nonfiction, a how-to guide, a collection of stories, or even a cookbook. Start by thinking about your expertise and passions. What topics do you know a lot about? What are you truly passionate about? Your enthusiasm will shine through in your writing and make the process more enjoyable. Next, consider your target audience. Who are you writing this for? What problems do they have that your ebook can solve? Understanding your audience will help you choose the right topic and tone. Once you have a general idea, start outlining. A solid outline is the skeleton of your ebook. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it should organize your thoughts and structure your book logically. Break your topic down into chapters and subheadings. For example, if you're writing a cookbook, your outline might include an introduction, a chapter on breakfast recipes, another on lunch, and so on. Now that you have your plan, it's time to start writing. This is where many people get stuck. The key is to just start. Don't worry about perfection. The goal of this phase is simply to get your thoughts down on paper. Create a dedicated writing schedule. This could be 30 minutes every morning or an hour every evening. Consistency is more important than long, sporadic sessions. Don't edit as you go. This is a common mistake that slows people down. Write a chapter or a section all the way through, then move on. You'll have plenty of time to go back and refine your work later. Use tools to stay organized. Programs like Google Docs, Scrivener, or Microsoft Word can help you keep track of your chapters and notes. Once your first draft is complete, take a break. Step away from the manuscript for a few days so you can come back with fresh eyes. With the first draft complete, it's time to refine your work. This is the stage where you turn your raw ideas into a professional product. Start with a self-edit. Read through your ebook, focusing on clarity, flow, and grammar. Look for repetitive phrases, awkward sentences, and typos. Then, get a second opinion. Ask a friend, family member, or a professional editor to read your manuscript. They'll catch mistakes you missed and provide valuable feedback. Their perspective is crucial for making your ebook the best it can be. Fact-check everything. If your ebook contains data, statistics, or instructions, double-check them to ensure they are accurate and up-to-date. A great ebook isn't just about the words, it's also about the presentation. How your ebook looks is just as important as what it says. Choose a compelling title and subtitle. This is the first thing potential readers will see. It should be catchy, informative, and reflect the content of your book. Create a stunning cover. Don't judge a book by its cover, they say, but in the digital world, it's often what makes people click. You can use free tools like Canva or hire a professional designer on a platform like Fiverr or Upwork. The cover should be high resolution and look good as a thumbnail. Format the interior. Your ebook needs to be readable on a variety of devices, including Kindle, tablets, and phones. Most publishing platforms require a specific format like a MOBI or EPUB file. You can use free software like Calibre or the Kindle Create app to convert your Word document into these formats. Make sure your headings, paragraphs, and images are properly formatted and easy to read. The final step is to share your hard work with the world. Choose a publishing platform. The most popular option is Amazon's KDP or Kindle Direct Publishing. It's free, easy to use, and gives you access to millions of potential readers. Other platforms include Barnes and Noble Press, Apple Books, and Smashwords. Upload your files. Follow the platform's instructions to upload your cover and your formatted manuscript. You'll also need to provide a description for your ebook and choose your keywords and categories to help people find your book. Set your price. Research similar ebooks in your niche to get an idea of a good price point. Many authors start with a lower price to encourage initial sales and reviews. Finally, it's time for the launch. Share your ebook with your friends, family, and followers on social media. Announce it in your newsletter or blog. The more people who know about your ebook, the better your chances of making a sale. And there you have it, from a simple idea to a published ebook. It might seem like a lot of work, but by breaking it down into these manageable steps, you can achieve your goal. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. Your first ebook is a massive accomplishment, and we hope this guide gives you the confidence to get started. Thanks for watching, and happy writing!